got shift gear down that rotor right down there. I don't know if you can see it. Shift gear right down there on that rotor. Can't see it better from this angle. Yeah, you see it right there. That gear does not look too happy. This clock up here is another one of the same movements, so it's in macro mode. The Sunbeam. It's a little noisy, but I kind of like the noise it makes. This one does. That one makes a little noise too, but not that bad. You have to be like right by it. See a little synchronous motor running down there. And that gear right there, that gear is shot. Well, that's what I get for buying it at Goodwill. The wall clock I bought at the market. This is actually a wall clock, see? It's not really designed to be a wall clock, but it can be a wall clock. I plan on fixing this. That gear looks familiar. That gear looks like I could probably use it in another clock. Another gear from another clock. And yeah. It doesn't know what it wants to do. There's the piece over it. Sunbeam clocks are a little cheap. This one up here is the same movement. Let me see if it works. Oh, it's crooked again. This one's really nice and smooth. Keep perfect time. Thanks for watching. And I will eventually do something with this clock. I'm probably going to end up replacing the movement.